Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you of how you can generate AI photos like these ones that you are seeing here. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you the secret of how you can generate these AI photos for free without paying for subscription. So what you need to do is for you to get the app on your Play Store. So this is the app here. So this is the app that I use. The name of the app is Remini app. You can get the app on Play Store or App Store. So after you have gotten the app from Play Store or your App Store, then open the app. Then you wait for it to load and open. Alright, so this is how where we start everything here. Then you come over here, then you click on get started. So you come over this part now, and then you click on create AI photos, right? Then you click on submit. Alright, so then you accept all and continue. Alright, so you allow it to open. Then you come over to this part, then you click on next, click here again, and you click it. Before I continue, please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, so I would like you to subscribe, to like this video, and for you to also share this video to your friends, for them to also learn of how to generate AI photos like this for free. So if you have subscribed to my channel, thanks for doing that. This is what you do. You come over here, then you click on this part here, click on not sure, then you click on here. Then don't click on this place here that you are seeing here, start free trial. Don't click here. What you need to do is for you to come here, come to this part, then you click on it. Then you come over to there, you give it access to your photos. Alright, then you allow. Okay, so this is what you happen. Then you come over to there, you click on AI photos. Alright, so then you click on let's do it. Click on let's do it. Then you pick a model. So take note of this. After picking your model, it's going to ask you to pick 8 photos of yours, because this is where it's going to use these photos to transform into these AI images. So I'm going to pick my model, then I'll click on it. So I'll look for a model that I'm going to use. Okay, I think I will use this one this time. I'm going to use this one this time. So before you pick this, I'm going to click on use this model. Then it's loading. Let's wait for it to come up. So I believe you have subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video as well. Make sure you share this video to people. So let's wait for it to come up with this. So let me. Alright, so you can see here, you can see what we have here. So it has generated these AI images for us. So now this is where we want to look how it is. So this is where you click on here, take a look. Wow, you can see here in this place, I like what I'm seeing here. You can see here. Then you click on here, because what this is saying is that if you want to save it, you have to swipe to this. You swipe it this side, you can rate it here, right to save. You can see here, if you save the images, you find it in your gallery. So you just need to swipe it this way to save it into your gallery. So you can also swipe it left to save it to trash, so to delete it as well. So let me click on here, got it like this one's here. Wow, you can see that it has generated stunning AI photos for us that we can use for our profile picture. So I will just swipe it this side. You can see that it has been saved to my phone. Right, you can see here. So you can see here. So I believe you have learned something new. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave it in a comment if you want me to show you of how to remove this watermark that you are seeing here. If you want me to show you of how you can remove this watermark that you are seeing here, so leave it in the comment section. So if I get many comments, I will surely do a tutorial videos of how you can remove this watermark from this picture. So Alright, so you can see it here. You can see the AI images is very okay. So you can choose here also. You can change your model here. You can generate more from here. So for the sake of this video, this is where we will stop. So see, in case you want to this is where we stop for the tutorial video. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Thanks.